Beats pain, lights flashing, feel the energy rushing. They so heavy, it'll make your heart start thumping. Hands in the air, we're all losing.
So when I heard about the crazy milkshake event, I was very excited because I wanted to create something different, because being a hairstylist, we always do all this, and it was really exciting for me to try some new products and some new looks.
Scream and shout in this electric ghost. There's no
Milkshake Blonder was amazing to work with because it has no orange when it lifted. It was so well lifting, so we really enjoyed creating the look. Final look we have created, we have basically done a pink, which she always wanted, little deeper on the roots, and ends we have done like a nice pink. So we have created this look for her.